Welcome to the Center for Teaching and Learning demo of Explain Everything, version 1.0. In this demo, we'll walk through all the features of this app and talk a little bit about how you can incorporate this in your teaching and enhance teaching and learning. This is the home screen of Explain Everything. Along the home screen on the left-hand side, you'll see all the tools that you can use to enhance your presentations. At the bottom of this page, you'll see the total number of slides and what slide number you're on, the record button, the pause button, the move back to beginning of recording button, the move to the end of recording button. Also, there are several buttons associated with saving and archiving your presentation that will be discussed later in this video. Let's start with the Add New Slide button. This is where you would add a new slide to your current presentation. Next is the Slide Sorter function, which allows you to rearrange slides in any order that you like. To rearrange, just hold your finger on a slide, it will start to shake, and then you can move it to the appropriate place you'd like to within your presentation. Also, you can choose to delete a slide or duplicate a slide within the Slide Sorter function by clicking on either of the appropriate options. Delete, duplicate. Next is the Drawing Options feature. Within Drawing Options, you can choose a color, choose a line thickness, and choose a transparency of a line to draw on your presentation. For example, you'll notice I've been using a pointer throughout the presentation. The pointer is selected by choosing the pointer option on the left-hand side of the screen and selecting the appropriate pointer that you'd like to highlight. When you're recording a video live, all you have to do is touch the screen and the pointer will follow you wherever you go. You can also add shapes and lines within Explain Everything. First, select your shape or line type, then color, transparency, border color, and border width. To import text, click the text function on the left-hand side of the screen. You can choose the font size, the type of font, the color of font, and the border thickness of the text box. You can also insert many different file types into Explain Everything, including images from the following softwares, a web browser, and navigate on it in real time, and full documents from Dropbox, Evernote, and Box. You can export images of each slide into any of the following softwares within your iPad by just clicking this button and choosing the software. When you have finished a project, you export with the export button, and it gives you options to choose how to export it. You can export to PhotoRoll and store it on your iPad, directly to YouTube. You can email it, save it to Dropbox, Evernote, or Box.com. You can also choose to only export portions of your slide. Don't forget to save your Explain Everything projects by clicking the Save folder, then coming up and renaming your file appropriately, and then clicking Save. You'll find the dashboard of Explain Everything in the bottom right-hand corner. Within the dashboard, you can see all of your projects that are available. Right now, I only have one, but you can also create a new project, find an additional way to export your project, similarly to the last slide, change your preferences, and there's Help button. There are many preference options located in the top right-hand corner, and listed below. You can turn on and off to your pleasure. Choosing the Help button takes you to the Explain Everything website and will help you with anything that you might need.